Happy 80th birthday, Tia. More birthdays to come. And enjoy your day. Enjoy your 80th birthday. Good health lang po. Ingat po kayo.
Happy 80th birthday, Grandma Gloria. I love you. We're in Dubai.
Happy birthday, Tita Glo. We miss you.
Happy birthday ho. Happy 80th. More to come.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Auntie Lo. God bless po. Thank you po.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh.
Happy birthday, Tita Gloria Diaz.
Yay!
Okay, go!
Kayang happy birthday. Ay! Happy birthday to you! Hey, hey! Happy birthday to you! Hey, hey! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Tita Gloria Diaz. Maraming salamat sa pag-sponsor ng video natin today. Nandito po kami ngayon sa area ng Divisoria. Isang egg na ganda!
Hello, Ate Gloria. Happy birthday. 80th birthday mo pala. Yung invitation na pinadala mo sa akin, alam ko namang hindi ako makakarating. Ikaw na lang ang makakarating dito. Hopefully, see you soon. Marami naghihintay ditong bisita. We're expecting a massive celebration. Massive celebration yan. So, see you soon. Good health. More blessings to come. That's all. Thank you.
Hello po, Auntie Gloria. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga naitulong niyo po sa amin. Thank you po.
Happy birthday. May the Lord bless you always. We wish you good health, more blessings. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Auntie Gloria. Wishing you the best of our birthday. Love you. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Love, love, love.
Hi, Auntie. Happy 80th birthday. Wish you all the best and happiness in life. Thank you for everything and mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Love you po.
Hi, Tita Gloria. Happy birthday po. I hope you are having a lovely day today. We haven't met each other in person just yet, but I have been hearing lots of good things about you. Wishing you more wonderful birthdays to celebrate. Keep safe and healthy. Hope to meet you one day and God bless you always.
Gloria, happy birthday. Sana'y marami pang kaarawan ang dumating sa iyo. Lagi kang masaya, walang sakit. Happy birthday ulit.
Tita Glo, happy birthday. May the Lord bless you always. Good health. And see you soon. Yung kabaitan niyo po, palagi sana nandyan. God bless po. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. See you soon.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Gloria. Stay healthy po. And salamat po sa mga naitulong niyo sa akin. Sana po ay gabayan po kayo lagi ng Panginoon at mas lumakas pa po ang inyong kapangatawan lang po.
Happy birthday, Auntie Glo! Mula po dito sa Santa Maria, Talisay, Batangas. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Gloria! Repeat the choice Happy birthday! We love you!
birthday, Ate Glo. More birthday to come. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mommy. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate you for making it with your 80th birthday. Happiest birthday. May you always be surrounded with love, and thank you for all your kindness. Once again, happiest birthday. Thank you.
Hi, Tita! Happy birthday po! Sending you so many good wishes. Always praying for your good health. And hoping that your special day fills your heart with love and joy. We haven't seen in person yet. I know you are a kind and loving person. Thank you for the love and blessing to us. Keep safe and have a wonderful day. God bless you and your family always. Sending you hugs and kisses all the way here from Bicol to yours.
To my dearest Ate Glo, happy 80th birthday. Wish ko sana humaba pa ang buhay mo para lagi tayo magkita-kita. At sana ay makapamasyal tayo. At i-kiss mo ako dyan sa brother ko at sister ko dyan. Sam and Dottie. At I love you so much, Ate Glo.
Happy birthday, Auntie Glo! Happy birthday, Auntie.
Ingat po, God bless!
Hi, Tita Glo, si Tess ito. Bumabati po sa inyo ng maligayang kaarawan at panalangin ko sa Panginoon na bigyan pa kayo ng lakas ng katawan at ilayo sa lahat ng kapahamakan at karamdaman. Bye-bye, love you!
Hi, Tita Glo. Happy 80th birthday. I hope you have a good time. Enjoy your party. I wish you all the best. God bless. Take care.
Maligayang karawan sa iyong pagsilang, aking mabait at mahal na pinsan, Gloria. Mahal kita.
Tita Glo, happy birthday. Ano gang handa? Kami dadayo din ng tanghalian, kahit hapunan. Happy birthday uli. God bless.
Hi po, Auntie Gloria. Happy birthday po. Wish ko po more birthdays to come. Stay healthy po.
Daday, Baba!
Happy birthday, Auntie. Thank you po sa lahat ng binibigay niyo sa amin, tulong. Sana maraming taong pang dumating sa inyo. At nang magkaroon pa ng mahabang buhay na upang mabigyan niyo pa ng ibang tulong ang ibang nangangailangan. Thank you so much po. Happy birthday po. God bless and have a long life pa. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Pera.
Happy 80th birthday. My God, Tita Glo. You are so blessed and you are so favored by the Lord. Not everyone is gifted with such a very beautiful and a very long life. I glorify the Lord that you have reached this far and you have changed so many lives. Thank you for the unconditional love. You have been very helpful, not just to us, to the children who needs a good meal, but to people like us. Thank you for the love and thank you for the joy and thank you for being so fun to be with. I am really happy to greet you and thank you for everything that you have done for the foundation, for Feed Hungry Minds, for Baok, and for us personally. So with that, we pray to the Lord that the Lord will bless you with more birthdays because you deserve and we still have more missions to do. Happy birthday and God bless you. I love you, Tita Glo. Stay as beautiful as Miss Universe.
Hi, Tia. Happy birthday po. Ingat kayo dyan nila Uncle at ni Ricky.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Gloria. Greetings from the USA. Happy birthday and may you have many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tia Gloria. 80th birthday. More birthdays to come and stay safe and always healthy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola. Ingat lagi and see you soon.
Gloria, good afternoon. Ako yung nagpunta din ni kina Alona at wala naman akong si Wilmay nasamba. Ay di ang lakas naman ng ulan din ay di ni ako inabot ng inapamerienda tuloy ako ng galletas. Ay happy birthday, advance happy birthday.
Birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola.
Hello, London, and hello, Tita Glo, Ninang Glo. Happy birthday po, and wishing you good health, happiness, and long life to live. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Glo from Israel!
Good morning, London. Tita Glo, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and a happiest birthday. From Toronto with love.
Birthday, Gloria! Ingat ka dyan. Umuwi ka sa fiesta para masaya tayong lahat. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy 80th birthday, Ate Gloria. May you have many more birthdays to come. Thank you.
Hi, Auntie Glo. Good morning po. Sorry, kagigising ko lang. Anyway, I just want to greet you a happy birthday po. And I wish you more, and I wish you good health, more blessings. And thank you very much po for being there always para po kay Feb po, and hoping and wishing na someday mag-meet din po tayo. Gusto ko rin po kasi kayo makabanding. Just like Inailita and Charlourdes. Looking forward and always wishing na ma-meet ko po kayo. Makabanding po. And anyway po, again, happy birthday po. And ingat po kayo lagi and stay safe.
Hello. Happy birthday, Lola Gloria.
Alba.
I love you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Ingat sa puso.
Ingat po.
Bye-bye.
Go. Happy birthday, Gloria. May you have more and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday. I love you.
To our Ate Gloria, the Gloria Diaz and Universe of the Pitica Luna family. Happy 80th birthday. May you have many more birthday, joyful, merry, and happy birthday to come. We miss you very much. You are now on your 80th birthday, and it will double the life that you would like to have. Ika nga noon, sabi, life begins at 40, but now you are 80, so double the life. You will begin your life double. And now, it is now your turn to live a happy life. Happy birthday ulit. my dear cousin. Thank you.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Ate Gloria.
Nandito kami sa Radiance of the Seas. Papunta kami sa Alaska. Wish we could be with you today on your special 80th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Gloria.
To you. Sorry, hindi kami makaka-attend sa susunod na birthday kung kailan yun. Okay? Wish you all the best in your birthday. We love you.
We love you, Ate Gloria.
Bye.
To Ate Gloria, happy birthday to you. I wish ko more birthday to come. Ilan na lang tayo sa magpipensyan, nawawala na yung iba. Sana magkaroon tayo na reunion. Again, happy birthday and God bless you. Ingat lagi.
Hi! Happy birthday, Tita Glo! Maraming salamat sa inyong naging tulong sa amin at naway sapitin pa kayo ng maraming kaarawan at ng marami pa kayong taong matulungan. Enjoy your day, special day, at happy birthday ulit, Tita Glo.
Happy birthday, Tita Gloria. I wish you all the best on your birthday, good health and happiness always. May God continue to bless you with all these wonderful blessings. And I wish you many more birthdays to come. God bless you, Tita Gloria. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tia Gloria!
Happy 80th birthday, Ate Gloria. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po, Tita Gloria.
Happy birthday, Ate Gloria.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Your 80th birthday. Hope napasaya ka ng surprise video from everyone who loves you. Well, for my birthday greetings, I will keep on praying for you, for your good health, for your family, for Uncle Boy and Tutoy, and I'm very grateful for having you, for our family, for always being there, for times that I need you, for mommy, any time of the day. Enjoy your night. Wish you good health always. We love you. Take care of yourself. And I will keep on praying for you. Please do for us. We love you. We love you. We miss you so much. But for now, enjoy your night. Enjoy your birthday. And thank you for everyone who makes this possible. Thank you and have a good and great party. Love you.
Kakanta tayo tapos ibabula mo mami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Gloria. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Happy birthday, Auntie Gloria. We love you.